Up. Group 1, boys, 800 meters on the track. Group 1, boys, 800 meters.
Okay, Xorren Lewis. Look at that form. Yeah.
Lane 1, Xorren, cut into lane 1.
Keep going.
Lane 1. There we go, Xorren.
Final call. Group 3, boys and girls, 800 meters. Final call. Group 3, boys and girls, 800 meters.
I told you to build a heart.
Huh? Yeah, oh, you did, oh, that's what he told you.
Try the way it comes. I'm floating.
All right.
Come on, Xorren, quick, look, get back.
Come on, Xorren! Come on, Xorren! Come on, Xorren! The rain is getting to him. I mean, you know. Come on, Xorren! Come on, Xorren! Come on, Xorren! Come on, Xorren! You thought the race was over, huh? Come on, Xorren. Xorren said, I can count. Come on, Xorren. Come on, Xorren. Come on, Xorren. Stay strong, Xorren. Stay strong, Xorren. Stay strong, Xorren. Keep going. Stay strong. Pace yourself. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. You got it. Xorren. Hang in there, Xorren. Stay focused, Xorren. Stay focused, Xorren. Keep pushing, Xorren. Keep pushing. You can do it. Keep pushing, Xorren. Keep pushing. That's the rain you hear on my umbrella. Come on, Lewis. Come on, Xorren. Hang in there. Looks like he got another gear going. Come on, Xorren, he tried. All right. Keep pushing. Come on, Xorren. Come on, Xorren, go. Come on, Xorren, harder. Come on, Xorren! Finish it, Xorren! Come on, Xorren! All right. Okay. That's all right, Dad.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, Xorren, stop eating all those granola bars and listen next time. You got slime.
And all the Cheerios.
Yeah, all the Cheerios. Yeah, I bet you eat some oatmeal next time.
There's no oatmeal.
And a banana smoothie.
And stop all the waffles in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.